Hey guys, my name is Jazz and today I'm going to be showing you some baking tips and hacks with Caroline's cake mix. Preheating your oven. This is the question that I get a million of times. Why should you preheat your oven? You should preheat your oven before you even start mixing your cake batter, so that by the time the cake batter is done and ready to be baked, your oven is at the correct temperature. And here's how you do it. Once your oven is on, always choose the option of having heat from above and heat from the bottom. That way, this will ensure your cake to bake evenly. Then for the temperature, always set your temperature at 180 degrees. This is the temperature that works well for most cakes. One of the ways of ensuring that your cakes turn out great every single time is by using Caroline's cake mix. Also ensure that you read the instructions at the back of the packet.